everyone, welcome to Zonle Doors channel. Are you looking for your own security doors? This video will provide you with some advice on buying private entrance door from the perspective of professional door supplier. If our suggestions are helpful to you, please give us some likes and follow us. First of all, the most important thing to buy the door is the anti-thief function. Choose the doors that are bigger than 10 centimeters. For example, our sample, which is our high-end series, has a thickness of 12 centimeters. Lock points should be more than 12. Don't choose less than 10. The material of the door panel is better to choose zinc alloy, which is stronger and safer. The filling material can choose extruded polystyrene, which can achieve the effect of heat isolation. Then install adhesive strips. Can achieve sound isolation function.
If you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us.